Welcome to the Mauna Lani Hotel Room Tour on the Big Island of Hawaii. We booked our trip through the Amex travel portal, and we booked an Ocean View King room, and we were happily upgraded to the Oceanfront King room. So here we are on the 6th floor, and the Mauna Lani gives you wristbands, so it's nice to not have to always think about oh, where's my key, and you can just put the wristband on, go into the water. It's great. So as I'm entering, here is the restroom to the left. We have the sliding doors that reveal the bathroom with 2 sinks on each side and mirrors. Updated mirrors. Here we have a makeup mirror as well, which is very helpful. And I believe if I remember right, it auto adjusts as well. And you have hand wash, lotion, a toiletry kit here. And then a hair dryer, slippers, which are always appreciated. And then the very large shower, in my opinion, with shampoo, conditioner, and body wash provided. So you can use the overhead or the wand if you prefer. The exact same setup on the other side, just no makeup mirror. And then we have the room with the toilet. And below this sink is just extra towels and another roll of toilet paper if needed. Very large, spacious bathroom. Here is the closet on the opposite side. Plenty of hangers. You have the satin hangers, a robe, a steamer, which we really enjoyed and was handy to have. Laundry basket, because you can do your laundry on premises. It is free, and they also provide laundry detergent and fabric softener. And now we're going to the closets on the right. And the ice bucket, wine glasses, coffee cups, not the Nespresso machine, but the K-cups. The coffee was delicious. I will vouch for that. I did not try the tea, but I'm sure it's just equally delicious as well. And then here is a fridge with refillable water bottles, which they will exchange and put in the fridge for you at turn down service. And this is a view of the room. Nice and spacious. Hooks to hang any items. I did it for our leis, my purse, king size bed. And the nightstand, little reading material. And then it's up to date with controls for all the lights in the room as well, plug-ins on each side. Nice size TV, mirror, our luggage. Plenty of drawer space to unpack your luggage. And then you have this, I believe they offered complimentary photos. I'm not quite sure. You'll have to check on that one. But there was also, in addition to their app, there is also a schedule of ongoings and things that they're offering daily, such as I really thought the Honu talks were really cute, the turtle talks. Then here's more of the room, a chair, which is nice to have, a couch, and then the remote, and also a QR code if you do want to scan just to see activities, just to see ahead. and the Lanai, which I would say is probably my favorite part of staying in this oceanfront. So you have a table, a little drying rack for your bathing suits, towels, a nice size like love seat area as well, and then the view. I will say I love the beach chairs because they are padded. And I never rented a cabana because those were sufficient enough for me. And also, I know the attendants will bring you water if you request it in like a nice cooler to keep it cold. Again, just giving you an idea of the size of the room. There were two of us. We had, what was it, one large check-in bag, carry-on, and it was ample size for us. And again, the best part is being able to catch these sunsets without having to like rush down to the beach or just rush from anywhere we were. We could just sit on our lanai and just enjoy the view. And I love the ambiance of the hotel at night. Just the lighting was made this beautiful resort even better. So I just want to share a little bit of that with you. And there is plenty of seating in like different tucked away nooks as well, just for you to just enjoy and relax. And here's a gym. Sorry this is at night, but this was probably the only time that I was going to be able to get the gym without anybody in it since we came here around after dinner. This is probably one of my favorite things about the hotel is that this is one of the largest like gym areas I've ever experienced. I love the outdoor and the indoor aspect, the amount of weights, the amount of equipment. It really like I haven't found a hotel gym that rivals this so far, so I honestly end up comparing it every hotel gym to this. So if you are worried about keeping up with your workouts, you do not have to worry here. Anytime we went, it wasn't overly crowded. There was like never any feeling of being cramped. They have plenty of equipment. If you are a Peloton user like I am, it's also really neat. They will take out, I believe, like two or three of the bikes and they'll put them in the outdoor area as well if you just want to, enjoy the environment you're in and not be inside. So that was also a really nice touch. And because the gym is on the first floor, it is open 24 hours. You can either enter from the outside with your wristband or you can come down the main floor lobby and where the spa is located, you will just enter through there and you can go through and enter the gym that way if you don't want to come through the outside. So plenty of equipment. I'm just going to zoom past me. Hi. You don't need to see me. And then here's what you're really here for. And then there was a wedding going on the first night we were there, so thought I'd capture that. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you with your trip planning. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. And if you want to see any other resorts, maybe I can hit those up too for you.